In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets for a cleaner look. If you've ever wanted your spreadsheet to look more like a polished report and less like a patchwork of boxes, hiding grid lines is a quick and effective way to do it. This is especially helpful when you're sharing your screen, presenting data, or preparing a clean snapshot for a document or slide. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. It can be any spreadsheet you're working on. Keep in mind that you'll be adjusting the view for the Active Sheet tab, so make sure you're on the sheet where you want the change to appear. Nothing in your data will be altered. We're only changing how the sheet is displayed on screen. Next, look to the top of your screen and click on the View menu in the toolbar. It's located along the same row as Insert, Format, and other options. Clicking View opens a drop-down filled with visual controls that change what you see in the editor. In that drop-down, find the option labeled Gridlines and uncheck it. If you see a checkmark beside Gridlines, clicking it will remove the checkmark. That's the toggle that turns Gridlines off. You don't have to select your data or change any formatting. This single action does the job. As soon as you uncheck Gridlines, you'll notice that the faint gray lines that separate each cell vanish from the sheet, giving everything a cleaner, more modern look. Your content stays exactly where it is. Cell addresses, like A1 or B2, still work. The active cell remains outlined when you click, and any borders you've manually added to cells stay visible. The change is purely about the standard background lines you normally see. This cleaner view helps your text, numbers, and charts stand out, and it's great for dashboards, summaries, and screenshots. If you rely on grid lines for alignment while editing, consider toggling them off just before presenting or sharing your screen. And if at any point you want them back, you can return to the same View menu and re-enable grid lines just as easily. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Sheet, click View, uncheck grid lines, and enjoy a streamlined, professional-looking canvas in seconds. Thanks for watching, and feel free to apply this simple tweak whenever you want your spreadsheet to look its best without changing any of your actual data.